Hi guys, I am back again for another video, and for today it is going to be the unboxing of my first Fabfitfun. Woohoo! Okay, so if you don't know, Fabfitfun is a seasonal subscription box that basically every season you'll get, and this one is my first one, which is gonna be the fall. So let's get ahead and open it and see what we got. The cool thing about the box is that you can customize and you can pick the stuff that you want, and maybe you can also choose for them to surprise you. So for me, I chose a couple of things, and let's see what's inside. So this is the box. It's freaking huge. The last box that I had or subscribed to was Ipsy, which is I think 4 to 5 years ago. So I stopped that one after a year. All right, so the first thing that comes with it is this little, ooh, look, I'm matching Meghan Trainor. First thing that comes with it is basically this magazine that shows you what the value of each product that you get, and also some cool stuff about fashion and beauty and fitness, so that's awesome. Next are a few little goodies like cards like this and promo cards like this as well. And then now to the fun part. Okay, so the first one that I got is this little cute lunch box from Kate Spade. You know me when it comes to bags. I love bags, and this is so cute. And it says, sorry, it's kind of wrinkly a little bit. It says out to lunch, and again, it's from Kate Spade. It's so chic. This is actually the color that I've been really into lately. Very oatmeal-y gold color, and this is awesome when I go out with my son all around. And when I go on my gigs, this is amazing. And I love how it's a wipeable interior. Awesome. And this one is valued at dun, 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 30 bucks. So that alone is $30 right there. All right, so for the next product, this is the one that I also picked and I'm interested to try. The Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. And who doesn't love eye masks? So this one comes in 6 pairs. And I'm assuming when it comes to eye bags, this will hydrate. Yes, hydrate and brighten your eyes and reduce the puffiness. So I'm curious on how this one will work, and I'm probably gonna pop some in the fridge and we'll try it out ASAP. Next one is something that was thrown in, which I didn't pick, but I'm curious to try. This is the Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. So this one is a heat protectant, and I never tried anything from Aveda, and I'm curious how it's going to turn out. When it comes to my hair is very, very, very damaged. And I obviously need extra protection because I heat style it a lot. So for this one, it is $30. Wow. Next one, I didn't pick as well, but they threw it in. This is the Humankind Skincare with a Conscience Body Souffle Cream. It's vegan and cruelty free, which is a bonus. And this is natural. Amazing, because I have very sensitive skin, and who doesn't love natural products? So this one, you can actually smell it, and it smells so good. I cannot wait to try this one. Next one, I am excited for this one because I love gold and I love the brand. I've had a couple of pieces from them, probably 1 or 2, and this one I'm curious to see because it's going to be my first crawler, and it is the Bubble Bar Gold Ear Crawlers, and it looks like that. so freaking cute, very dainty and nice. And that one is valued at $34. So another one in the 30 mark. Next is something that I picked up, and this is the hair towel, which is a hands-free lightweight drying hair towel. Again, when it comes to my hair is very frizzy and dry, and the least thing you want to think about is more problems with your hair. So I own a drying towel like this. However, it's really old and I've got it like years and years ago. So next one was thrown in, which I didn't pick. It was like a surprise, and this is the Exfoliating Sugar Cubes by Harper and Airy. Is that what you say, how you say it? And it says Juice Cleanse. That's how it looks like. It smells so good. So I love how they put an exfoliator and then a body lotion, which you can use together. And I obviously have yet to try this. I'm not so sure if you're gonna have to use one or half or what, but I do apply self tanner. So when it comes to exfoliating, I exfoliate about twice a week depending, and this is perfect before I put on my self tanner, so I'm all clean and exfoliated. And lastly, the product that I've been excited to receive, it is the Travel Yoga Mat by Anthropologie, and that's how it looks like. It's super duper hard to find a travel yoga mat. I always see the ones that are super like thick and foamy, or they're either not good quality, or the ones in Lululemon are super duper expensive. So I'm assuming this one would be as well, but let's check. So in this, it says it's $50 and it's ultra thin, foldable, and portable. So I'm super duper excited to try that out. And that is it for my first FabFitFun unboxing. So far, my first box has been amazing. I like all the products. Again, the variety of it is pretty good. The waiting time is awesome. Customer service was good. So far so good. And I can't wait for my other boxes to arrive in the next few months. So if you also subscribe to FabFitFun, just let me know so we can talk about the stuff that you got as well. And actually, I wanted the iron, but again, it was sold out by that time. And that is it for this video for today. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more beauty videos and fashion videos to come. And as always, don't forget, no matter what today brings, always find joy. Up until the next video, bye.